This is the cross Aldol condensation. Reagent dilute NaOH or KOH or 10% NaOH or KOH or barium hydroxide. Shortcut tricks, okay? CH3C double bond OH plus CH3 C double bond O CH3. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetone. Reagent dilute NaOH. How we write the products, okay? So at first we write the this aldehyde except one alpha hydrogen. C H H C double bond OH. So this is this aldehyde, but one alpha hydrogen is less. This carbon attached with this carbon. This carbon attached with this carbon. Okay. This double bond O is convert to OH. इसके साथ एक H और एक CH3. This is the one aldol product. Next, this aldehyde reacts with this ketone. So at first we write one alpha hydrogen less this aldehyde. This carbon is attached with this carbon. C double bond O, it is converted to OH. This is CH3. This is CH3. This is the other product. Okay. Then this ketone reacts with, so we write one alpha hydrogen less this ketone. This carbon is attached with this carbon. This is OH, one CH3, other CH3. This is the third product. Then we write one alpha hydrogen carbon less this ketone. This carbon attached with this carbon. This is OH, one H, one CH3. We get total 4 products. This is the cross aldol products, okay? Other example. Other example. HC double bond OH. This is formaldehyde. CH3C double bond OH. This is acetaldehyde. If the reagent is dilute NaOH, how we write the product? This aldehyde does not contain any alpha hydrogen, but this aldehyde contains 3 alpha hydrogen. So at first we write one alpha hydrogen less this aldehyde. This carbon attached with this carbon. So one H, other H. This is the cross aldol product. After heating, water is removed. So we get CH2 double bond CH, C double bond OH. This is the second example, cross aldol condensation. Next example, this is benzaldehyde. Okay. If it reacts with acetaldehyde, reagent dilute NaOH. We know benzaldehyde does not contain any alpha hydrogen, but acetaldehyde contains 3 alpha hydrogen. So at first we write 1 alpha hydrogen less acetaldehyde. This carbon attached with this carbon. This carbon attached with this carbon. So we write this carbon. This is OH. 1H. 1 benzene ring. Okay, this is the product. After heating, water is removed. We get final product. Okay, clear? Other example. Further formaldehyde, if it reacts with acetone, reagent dilute NaOH, same, it does not contain alpha hydrogen, but it contains 6 alpha hydrogen. So we write 1 alpha hydrogen carbon less ketone. So we write 1 alpha hydrogen less ketone. Then this carbon reacts with this carbon, direct attached with this carbon. So this is OH, 1H, other H. After heating, this water is removed. So we get the final product. Clear? At first we write 1 alpha hydrogen less this ketone, then this carbon attached with this carbon. This is OH, double bond OH, OH, two hydrogen. This is this hydrogen and this hydrogen. Okay? Next example, the benzaldehyde reacts with acetone, reagent dilute NaOH. So this is alpha hydrogen, this is alpha hydrogen, okay, but it does not have any alpha hydrogen. So at first we write 1 alpha hydrogen less ketone. This carbon attached with this carbon, double bond O is OH, 1H, 1 phenyl ring. After heating, water is removed. So we get the final product. Okay. Last example. Last example. Benzaldehyde reacts with CH3 CH2 C double bond OH. This is propanol. Reagent dilute NaOH. What is the product? This is the alpha carbon. This is very important example. This is the alpha carbon. So we write 1 alpha hydrogen less this carbon. C 1H, because 1 alpha hydrogen less 1 CH3 C double bond O H. This carbon attached with this carbon. This is OH, 1H, 1 phenyl ring. So the final product after heating, this water is removed. Okay, this is the final product. Okay, clear?